Hi, I'm Terry Davis from MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Thanks for joining us, and today we're going to take a look at Sea Ray's 19 SPX Outboard. A few specs on the boat. The boat has an overall length of 19 feet 6 inches, beam of 8 feet 4 inches, carries 30 gallons of fuel, and this boat comes with a galvanized trailer as well. This boat's rated to carry 11 people. Option-wise, this boat has the stainless steel upgrade. The boat also has the Rockford Fosgate stereo with 4 speakers. The helm chair has a bolster that folds up and down. Companion seat makes a nice bench seat. The seat back is removable. And under the back, where the engine would be in a standard IO model, you have a great deal of storage. Covers are knollery in this one. This boat does also come with a complete cockpit cover and a tonneau cover for the bow ride section up front. And this SPX is powered with Merck's 115 4-stroke engine. Very economical engine. The boat runs about 42 miles an hour wide open and burns only 2.5 gallons an hour at cruise. Thank you for taking a look at our SPX today. The boat can be seen at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach, or call me, Terry Davis, at 910-256-8100.